Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background in Capcut. So here I've already added a video on Capcut and I want to add the background into this video. So what you need to do is you can just browse over the toolbar at the bottom and click on the canvas option, this one's right here, and choose background. But first you need to pinch in or use both fingers to resize your video like this so that the background will be seen. Okay, so you can just choose the backgrounds that you like from CapCut, or you can also add your own background. So for example, I want to choose this backgrounds right here. When you're done, just click on the check icon, and if you want to change the background, just click on background again. For example, you want to add your own picture or your own background from your gallery, just click on this icon and choose the backgrounds that you like. Okay, for example, like that. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can add background in CapCut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.